Alright, so I just decided to come to Lowe's and check out their Black Friday deals. Look at all their Christmas stuff they got going on here. Who's this guy over here? It's the Bumble. And all that stuff up there. Let's start over here in the Cobalt section. I don't think I own any Cobalt tools. I might own one of these. I think I'm going to get one of these for me. And one of these as a gift. We got these, I've seen some people mention these in their videos and in the groups about the Cobalt mini toolboxes. I mean, they're cute and all, but maybe for somebody who's just got their first apartment, they got a little bit of tools going on. Over here we got the Craftsman stuff. Still some pretty good deals on the Craftsman. If you're a Craftsman guy, I'll take whatever I think is gonna be best for me and in my budget. I kind of like this thing right here. I might get a couple of these today. The folding sawhorse. That's pretty good price, $14.98 compared to normally like $22, $23. We got the pack out. More Craftsman deals over here. This is not an in-depth video. This is an impromptu I'm shopping at Lowe's video. Got some Klein tools here. Klein's a pretty good brand too. Big into the electrical tools. I got one of these. I'd like to have some of these. If I had the space and the money, I would have like every tool I want. What's on the other side here? We got batteries and more Klein tools. Klein pack out. I'm going to go over to the other tool section. So I heard there was a sale on clamps. So let me come back. Alright, we're over here at the main tool section. We got all the boxes and other pack out supplies here. What am I looking for? I'm looking for clamps and stuff. Actually, I'm looking for anything that catches my eye, which is lots of stuff. Clamps are over here. I don't know. I don't see much for sales here. Let's poke around a little bit more. I don't know. Might be going to Home Depot after this to see what they got going on. I got a gift card for here for my birthday a couple weeks ago. One for Home Depot as well. So I'm just looking to waste some time and spend some money. You get this Craftsman on clearance here. Let's see, that is the 33-piece set. I don't know, I'm gonna have to poke around a little bit. I think I'm gonna get this for myself just to, I don't know, it's $5. Why not? And then I think I'm probably gonna get a couple of these Craftsman guys. 1,000-pound max. Let's do it. Alright, that's it.